Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect guys this Bluetooth speaker to your phone, so as you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect it. Guys, click on Bluetooth and device setting, and guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So you can see guys, we have connected the JBL speaker, and guys we want to disconnect. So guys, how to disconnect? So at right side guys, you can see the setting option. So guys, tap here. Then guys, you can see there are two options guys. First guys, disconnect option and forget option. So you want to forget, so as you can click on forget option, but guys I want to disconnect, so I will click on disconnect, and guys I will off this speaker. So I hope friends you've understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.